NH-90, France. In 1985, 5 European nations signed a Memorandum of Understanding covering a NATO helicopter for the 90s, or NH-90. The UK dropped out of the programme in 1987 in favour to the A101, leaving France, Italy and the Netherlands in the project by means of NH Industries. The two initial versions were the NH-90 NFH NATO frigate helicopter, for the autonomous anti-submarine warfare and anti-ship roles, and the NH-90 TTH, tactical transport helicopter, for assault transport, rescue, electronic warfare and VIP transport duty, Italy and the Netherlands. It has been exported to Australia, Belgium, Greece, New Zealand, Norway, Oman, and Sweden. Mi-8, Russia. The Mi-8 is one of the most prolific utility helicopters ever built, with over 7,300 examples manufactured since 1961. Its export version, the Mi-17, was widely exported. This helicopter is in service with more than 60 countries. Variants of this prolific helicopter are still produced today. The most widely built version for military customers is the Mi-8T, the standard utility transport. It accommodates 24 troops. Alternatively, it can transport 4,000 kilograms of cargo internally, or this helicopter is in service with more than 60 countries. Variants of this prolific helicopter are still produced today. The most widely built version for military customers is the Mi-8T. AW101, Italy. The Agusta-Westland AW101 was developed as a modern naval utility helicopter. Previously, this chopper was known as Eurocopter Industries EH101. It was jointly produced by Agusta of Italy and Westland Helicopters from United Kingdom. However, in 2000 Agusta and Westland Helicopters merged and formed Agusta-Westland. Since 2007, this helicopter is marketed as Agusta-Westland AW101. There are utility and anti-submarine warfare versions of this helicopter. The H101, a W101, is in service with Italy, and it is worth noting that Britain, Denmark, and Portugal use the name Merlin for this helicopter. Z-18, China. The Z-18 is a new Chinese military transport helicopter. It was developed by Changhai Aircraft Industry Group (CAIG). It evolved from a civilian avocopter AC-313, Harbin Z-8. The Z-18 is the largest military helicopter ever developed in China. The new helicopter was first publicly exposed in 2014. It seems that the Z-18 is already in service with Chinese military. It will gradually replace older Z-8 helicopters. As a result, the new Z-18 has more internal space, can carry more payload and has overall better performance at higher altitude and temperature. EC-725, France. The Eurocopter, now Airbus helicopters, EC-725 Super Cougar or Caracal is a long-range tactical transport helicopter. It evolved from the Eurocopter Puma, Cougar family. It was specially developed to meet a French Air Force requirement for a specialist helicopter for combat search and rescue operations. The new helicopter made its first flight in 2000. First helicopter was delivered to the French Air Force Force in 2005. Some other countries ordered this helicopter. The EC-725 can carry up to 28 troops or 5,670 kilograms of payload internally. Mi-38, Russia. The Mi-38 is a transport helicopter, aimed both at military and civil customers. It is being proposed as a replacement for the aging Mi-8 and Mi-17 series helicopters. Initially it was developed as an improved version of the Mi-8. However, it has so many differences, that the Mi-38 is a totally new design, rather than improved version of the Mi-8. It has new airframe, engines, rotor system and avionics. It can be seen as a new generation of the Mi-8. Development of this helicopter is now complete. Its small-scale production began in 2018. It was announced that series production of the Mi-38 began. V-22 Osprey, USA. The V-22 Osprey is not exactly a helicopter. It is a first operational tiltrotor. The Osprey combines vertical lift capabilities of a helicopter with a flight speed of a fixed-wing turboprop aircraft. It is used by U.S. Army, Air Force, Marine Corps and Navy. Deliveries commenced in 2001. Currently the Osprey is one of the largest VTOL aircraft. It accommodates 24 troops. This tiltrotor transport can carry 9,000 kilograms internally or 6,800 kilograms externally. The Osprey can fly at a maximum cruising speed of just over 500 kilometers per hour. CH-47F Chinook, USA. The ubiquitous CH-47 Chinook was developed to meet a U.S. Army requirement. It first flew back in 1961. This utility helicopter became operational in 1962. Since then over 1,160 have been built, including models licensed produced in Italy and Japan. It has been exported all over the world. Upgraded Chinooks are planned to remain operational with the U.S. Army beyond 2060, or over 100 years after it first entered service. The Chinook helicopter performs various transport missions. It transports troops, war supplies and battlefield equipment. CH-53K King Stallion, USA. Recently a new CH-53K King Stallion helicopter was developed to meet requirements of the U.S. Marine Corps. It is a further development of the CH-53E Super Stallion. Since 1974 the Super Stallion was the largest and most powerful helicopter outside Russia. It is due to be replaced by the King Stallion, which is even larger and more powerful. The CH-53E has similar airframe as its predecessor, but has notably, it was planned that the King Stallion will reach initial operating capability in 2018. It will be the largest and heaviest helicopter used by the U.S. military. Mi-26, Russia. The Mi-26 is the world's largest production helicopter. It is known in the West as Halo. Currently this heavy-lift machine is in service with nearly 20 countries, including Russia and India. Its development began in the early 1970s. Designers had a goal to produce a helicopter with a load capacity twice that of any contemporary machine. It became operational in 1983. The Mi-26 has the load-carrying capability of a C-130 transport plane. Its cargo area, with a minimum ceiling height of 2.9 meters, the interior can be configured to seat 80 combat-equipped troops or 60 stretchers.